My daughter Chelsea, like many of you, is trying to buy her first house, and she's found one that interests her enough to make an appointment with her realtor, Julia Rutland. Julia is a family friend, and this is a family event as my wife Sharon and I tag along for the tour.
Well, nice little room.
It's got some nice carpet.
Well, I don't know about the carpet.
It's a little less than 1,000 square feet,
Okay.
2 bedrooms and 1 bath.
Oh, there you go. Hardwood.
Oh, wow.
And so the rest of you can see the rest of it in there is also hardwood.
Chelsea, this house has only had one owner, which is unusual for a home this
Oh,
age.
wow.
Well, that's pretty cool.
That is, wow.
Probably find a lot of original features.
But this is obviously an addition to Celotex ceiling and the old wood paneling.
Oh, geez, thing just went back a few decades. Oh.
A celebratory bottle.
Oh, there you go. I'll bet that's a nice vintage. That's pretty neat.
Odd placement, but...
Boy.
Oh, wow.
An old porch they converted, huh?
I love those windows.
Oh, this is really nice,
Pretty cool.
except for the floor.
Be a good place to put that washer and dryer, get it out of that tiny little kitchen.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, look at this. You know, I've been in houses in this neighborhood before, and I can't figure this out. I mean, it's the access from the hallway, but what is that, only 16 inches wide?
Keeps you from eating too much when you're in the kitchen, that's for sure.
Good stuff. There's not a crack at all in here.
It might be if you keep building on the floor.
That looks like original tile. Do you like it,
Yeah.
Chelsea?
I like the tile.
I think it's cute.
Sweet.
Look, a laptop. A laptop.
I know, that's cool. This might need to go though. I don't know if I need that much storage in my bathroom.
It's a nice sized backyard.
Oh, I like this deck. Might need a little work.
Julia, how tall were these people that lived here?
Probably
Golly.
shorter than me.
And how about your
Stairs to nowhere.
plant stand?
Oh, okay. Is that what that is?
Someone has spent a lot of time in here, these old places like that. Look at all the little, I can just see a little old man in here, you know, putzing around, doing things
Yeah.
on the little shelf and things like that.
Well, what do you think about it so far, Chelsea?
Well, I like it. There's a lot of negative things that Dad has said that concerns me, but
Well, I mean, every house that you get this, in you know, this age or something that hadn't been remodeled, and you can't afford something that's already been remodeled.
It's such a great area, too.
yeah, that's
Location, location, location.
Yeah.
It's really great looking at a home with an expert. As a realtor, I'm learning a lot.
After we say our goodbyes to Julia, the three of us head to lunch at a local cafe to talk it over.
Well, you've seen several houses. What do you think?
I like that one. You really can't beat the location. It's one of the
No,
places that I
location's
wanted to
awesome.
live.
You're within walking distance of here.
Yeah,
You could eat here all the time, but
It's-
you won't have any money for that.
but I mean,
Well, the thing that I like about it, you know, all the houses I've remodeled and everything, is when you have like a one-owner or two-owner house like that, to find a house like that that's only had one owner, 71
Yeah.
years.
I guess it's really, I mean, I like the house and it suits my needs perfectly. It's really more about if it's a good house,
Yeah.
you know, and it's
It
going to
still
hold
seems
up.
like they would be more competitive than that as far as the
I mean,
price.
it's
'cause
really the least expensive house in the neighborhood, but it probably needs a lot more work.
I mean, I really like that one. I think I do want to look at it one more time to make sure everything's in check like we thought it was.
And I think if she could get some off of it, you know, if she
Right.
could get a lower price on it,
Yeah.
we need to snatch it up because the location is just really wonderful.
Well, see what happens.
The very next day, Chelsea gets a call from Julia with an update on the house.
They dropped it how much? Oh, well, that really changes a lot.
The sellers have just reduced the price by $30,000, and that bit of good news offsets almost every negative I found with the place. So Chelsea pulls the trigger on the deal, and in no time, she's closing on the house. Chelsea is now the proud owner of a 71-year-old cottage that has lots of charm, but needs more than a few repairs.